Using BLF or busy lamp field. BLF is used to monitor the state of a certain user. To configure BLF, press Menu, select Features, DSS keys, and then the desired line key. In the Type area, select BLF and the related account ID. Then input the label information in the label area. In the Value area, input the phone number or extension that you wish to monitor. In the Extension area, input the pickup code, for example *97, then press Save. After the setting is complete, you will see that on the LCD screen the corresponding account key now displays the BLF icon. When the LED light of the BLF key is constantly red, it indicates that the monitored line is making an outgoing call or is conversing. When the LED light flashes red, this indicates that the monitored line is receiving an incoming call. When the LED light is green, it indicates that the monitored account is idle. You can press the BLF key to speed call the monitored user. When the monitored extension receives a new call, you can also directly press the DSS key to pick it up. When there is an active call on the IP phone, you can transfer the call to the monitored phone number directly by pressing the BLF key to transfer the call.